Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something truly special for you. The BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. If you're looking for the best countertop water filter, you're in the right place. This compact and innovative water filter system is taking the market by storm, and for good reason. It's designed to provide you with pure, clean drinking water without the need for complicated installations or hefty plastic waste. Let's dive into the details. Now, let me walk you through some of the key features that make the BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light stand out from the competition. First off, its compact design, measuring just 9.7 inches in length, 9.4 inches in width, and 14.1 inches in height, it won't take up much space on your countertop. And here's something unique. It dispenses the purified water into a high borosilicate glass carafe, ensuring your water stays safe from pollutants and chemicals. The smart LED display is a game changer. It lets you monitor the lifespan of your filter and alerts you when it's time for a change. Plus, you can select your desired water volume, and the system takes care of the rest. No more waiting around for filtered water. The BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light delivers water in under 3 minutes. And here's the kicker, it boasts a 3-to-1 ratio of filtered water to waste, making it 375% more effective than other models on the market. This system features a patented 5-in-1 filter that removes a whopping 99.9% of contaminants from your water. It's SGS certified, and the RO membrane inside is NSF, ANSI 58 certified for your peace of mind. But wait, there's more. BlueVua wants to make your water even more enjoyable. They've included 6 delicious flavored water recipes that you can make right from your filter. Simply follow the recipes, flip the top lid, and enjoy. Now, let's see this amazing countertop water filter in action. It's as easy as plugging it into a power outlet, filling up the tank, and watching the magic happen. And remember, no installation required. Whether you're concerned about the quality of your tap water or just want a convenient way to enjoy clean, pure water, the BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light has got you covered. To recap, this countertop water filter offers a premium solution with its sleek design, efficient purification, and user-friendly features. It's perfect for individuals or small households. Plus, it's eco-friendly and reduces the need for bottled water. So, if you're looking for the best countertop water filter that combines style, efficiency, and ease of use, look no further than the BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light. It's a game changer for your drinking water needs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of innovative products like this one. Until next time, stay hydrated.